Now class 9 math. First chapter we have finished, which was about number system, in which we discussed rational number and laws of indices. Now this chapter is on polynomial. What is polynomial? It's very important. Try to understand it. It's very easy. But a polynomial. Poly means many. You have done in algebra of many polynomials, like x plus 2 is a binomial. You have two terms in one variable are given. It is binomial. 3x, it is monomial. It is binomial. You have done x square minus 3x plus 5. It is trinomial. You see, in these exercises, in these questions, you have done, these are all polynomials, binomials, monomial, trinomial, tetranomial, these are polynomials. What is characteristics of these polynomials? You see, powers of variable x here are non-negative integers. Non-negative integers means these are not negative. -1, -2, minus half. Integers means whole number. So powers will always be, in case of 2, power of x is 0. In case of x, power of x is 1. Here power of x is 1. Here power of x is 2. Here is x. Power of x is 1. So powers will be an integer, means 0, maybe 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, likewise. Powers can never be negative or fraction, remember it. In case of polynomial, its power are indices. Indices are never fractions और negatives. कभी भी पावर्स फ्रैक्शनल या हाफ, 1/3, 4/3 ये नहीं होगा. निगेटिव पावर्स भी नहीं होंगे. x कभी भी नीचे नहीं होगा. 3/x होगा तो निगेटिव पावर हो जाएगा. आप जानते हैं इंडिसेस. और इसके जो कोफिशिएंट्स हैं, जैसे x + 2 यहाँ 3x का 3 है, यहाँ 1 है, यहाँ भी 1 है, यहाँ 5 भी लिख सकते हैं. ये 5/3 भी हो सकता है, -5/3 भी हो सकती है, ये -3 है. कोफिशिएंट रियल नंबर्स हैं, इनके लिए जरूरी नहीं है कि ये नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव फ्रैक्शन कुछ भी हो. इसको हम पॉलिनोमियल कहते हैं. इसलिए जनरल एक्सप्रेशन a0 x to the power n plus a1 x to the power n minus 1 plus a2 x to the power n minus 2 plus a3 x to the power n minus 3 and so on. इस तरह से चलता जाएगा an तक. यहाँ प्लस an minus 1 x भी आ सकता है. तो ये पावर्स इंडिसेस कभी भी ये फ्रैक्शनल नहीं होंगे, न तो नेगेटिव होंगे. फ्रैक्शंस और नेगेटिव कभी नहीं होंगे. और जो कोफिशिएंट हैं a0, a1, a2, an जो भी हैं, ये एलिमेंट्स ऑफ रियल नंबर हैं. नेगेटिव हो सकते हैं, फ्रैक्शन हो सकते हैं, रियल कुछ भी हो सकते हैं. इसको हम पॉलिनोमियल कहते हैं. ट्राई टू remember it properly. Then we shall proceed in exercise 2.1 of chapter 2. Chapter 2, exercise 2.1. Which of the following expressions are polynomial in one variable and which not in one variable. So you see 4x square minus 3x plus 7. It is a polynomial. It is a polynomial in one variable because powers of x are 1 here, 2 here, 1 here 0, and numbers are 4 minus 3, 7. These are non-real numbers. So it is a polynomial in one variable. Y square plus root 2. It is also polynomial because y is variable here, power is 2, which is non-negative or non-fact, and root 2 is coefficient which can be here, so it is also a polynomial. But see third part, 3 root t plus t root 2, it is not polynomial because power of t here, this is okay, it is 1, but here is half, root means half power, so it is not a polynomial, though it is one variable. Again, y plus 2 by y, it is also not polynomial because in first term y powers of y is 1, but here is minus 1, so it cannot be polynomial. And fifth part, x to the power 10 plus y to the power 3 plus t to the power 50. It is though it is polynomial, but it is not in one variable. It is a polynomial in 3 variables, but it wants one variable. So it is polynomial. The powers are okay. 10, 3, 50. These are all non-negative, non-fractions. But it is in many variables, so it is not a polynomial in one variable. It is in 3 variables, not in one variable. It is question 1 of exercise 2. Write coefficient of x square in the following. Question 2, it wants coefficient of x square in. Question is 2 part 1 is. Question 2 part 1 is 2 plus x square plus x. Here coefficient of x is how much? 1. X square 1. In second case, here is 2 minus x square plus x cube. Here coefficient is minus 1. Coefficient of x square is minus 1. In third case, coefficient of x square is pi by 2, and in fourth case, coefficient of x square is 0 because no x square term is there. Understood? Now, let us do question number 3. Give one example each of binomial of 35 degree and monomial of degree 100. Binomial of 35 degrees, x to the power 35. You can write here any number 4x to the power 35 plus 3. It is binomial of 35 degree, and monomial of 100 degree is 5x to the power 100. It is binomial of degree 35. It is monomial, one term of degree 100. Power is 100. Which write the degree of each of the polynomial in question number 4. Question number 4. Degree of polynomial 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x. Degree here is 3. Degree is degree of highest classify following as linear, quadratic or cubic polynomial. Linear means one term, quadratic means two term. No, sorry. Linear means in one power is 1, quadratic means power is 2, cubic means power is 3. Sorry. So x square plus x is quadratic because power is 2 here, and cubic is x minus x cube, second one. Quadratic is y plus y square mark plus 4, it is third is again quadratic. Linear is 1 plus x, linear is 3t, fifth one. Sixth one r square is quadratic, and last one is cubic. So here the term in which the power is highest power is 2, that is quadratic. If highest power is 1, like in fourth and fifth, they are linear. Where power is highest power is 3, they are cubic polynomials. So cubics are second and seventh, and remaining 1, 3 and 6 are quadratic. So this is fifth sum of this exercise 2.1. We did here these many things. You do sums from IS Agarwal book also. We did from NCERT book. It is NCERT book. If any problem arises, ask with me. Now we shall proceed in second exercise. Many exercise, it is a big chapter over there, and it will take some time to be completed. So let us stop over here.